Good morning, Philippines. I'm Novi Kalumba from Davao City, Philippines, a regular participant of MMM. October 23, 2015, I provided help amounting to 300,000 plus 137,000 plus 16,800, a total of 453,800. October 24, 2015, I requested to get help amounting to 444,600. I use MMM Extra. Thank you to all participants that provides me help. Thank you also to Mr. Sergi Mavrudi for giving us MMM. Together we change the world. Oh, maybe.